Hello everyone, I'm Tabita Roberts. Today I want to share with you what I eat in a day. So I'm going to be sharing with you my new diet, which is dairy-free and sugar-free. So I'm going to show you what I eat for breakfast right now, and afterwards what I eat for lunch, snack, and for dinner. Alright, so this is pretty much what I'm having for breakfast today. Some carrots right here, sliced apples, melon, and of course one boiled egg. Eggs are not dairy, okay? Eggs are poultry. Green tea, Twinings green tea. All teas Twinings, it's just amazing. I don't put any sugar in it because obviously sugar-free diet here. So this is my green tea, green cup as well. Love drinking green tea in the mornings, and in the evening I like drinking Earl's Grey tea. And some cucumbers. Love cucumbers with a little salt. That right there, my friends, is a dairy-free and a sugar-free breakfast. I also take vitamin supplements, and that is to just ensure that I get all my nutrients. And that is pretty much what I eat for breakfast. Now, let's go eat lunch. Red beans, I made a salad with lettuce and cucumber. It's chicken breasts, and I have some potatoes and carrots that I mashed to create this. I seasoned the chicken with onions, garlic and pimento pepper. Yes, that's my lunch.